Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and this is Mrs. Stroud here with your grammar and phonics for today. Our first page is page 125 in our reader's notebook. It's our grammar and it's possessive pronouns. Now we know a pronoun is something we use instead of a name, like her, my, I, his, right? Instead of saying Mrs. Stroud's pencil, I say my pencil, right? So here we are. It says read the sentences below. Underline the possessive pronouns. If the possessive pronoun is not written correctly, write the word correctly on the line. So here we go. Number 1, Lucy, a friend of ours, is traveling with us to Tennessee. So our pronoun is not Lucy because that's a name. Our pronoun is ours because we could say Lucy, a friend of Mrs. Stroud's and Dylan's, is traveling with us to Tennessee. So instead of that, I say ours, meaning Dylan and I. So, is that written correctly? First, we're going to underline it. And if it's not written correctly, we're going to put it on the line. This one I think you'll know. It says, number 2, is this his's map? Our pronoun is his. Is his's even a word? No. Write that correctly on the line. It should just be his. Is this his map? Number 3, my favorite part of a road trip is the snacks. What's our pronoun there? My. Number 4, that is hers backpack. Does that sound correct to you? That isn't. Underline it, write it on the line. Number 5, is this yours sandwich? Does that sound correct to you? If it isn't, underline it, write it on the line. Okay, now down here at the bottom it says write a sentence for each of the possessive pronouns. So there, and that is there as in it, I own something. So that is their house. Okay? Our and my. Let's come up with some good third grade sentences. As always, do not forget COPS, capitalization, organization, punctuation, spelling and spacing. Make sure it's all there for you, please. Alrighty, we are going to go to page 129. There's our phonics page for today. And here we are. We have a proofreading for spelling. So it says read the following letter, circle the misspelled words. And we're going to write the misspelled words correctly down here at the bottom. So there's 10. So we have all of these basic words. We have review words and challenge words. Our words, here's a little hint. Our words all end with full, ly, and So let's make sure if we see anything with full, ly, or on the bottom, we check the spelling. So first we have singer, loudly, joyful, teacher, fighter, closely, powerful, farmer, quickly, careful, friendly, speaker, wonderful, truly, and our review words are hopeful, safely, listener. Our challenge words are listener and calmly. Okay? So here we are. Ready? It says, Dear Marcus, my class heard a speaker today. Now, we know anything with ER might be one of our words. So speaker. Let's take a look down here. Find speaker. Oh, there it is. Is it spelled the same? It is not. So that's your first word. Speaker will be down here spelled correctly. Okay, that's number one. His name was Mr. Brown. He showed us pictures of different parts of the country. We saw a picture of a farmer on his farm. I looked at the picture closely to see all the animals. So we have two other words in this one, farmer and closely. See if they're spelled correct. Okay, the next little paragraph I'm going to read for you, I'm just going to tell you how many mistakes there are, and you have to find them. Okay? We saw pictures of the Rocky Mountains. What a wonderful trip that would be. I am hopeful that someday I will see the mountains. Okay, there's two mistakes in that one. Next one says, some of my friends were talking loudly. Mrs. Garcia told them to be quiet. Mrs. Garcia is our teacher. There's two in that one. Okay, this next one. Mr. Brown answered all of our questions. He was very friendly. There's one mistake in that one. And finally, it says, after the speech, we all went quickly back to our classrooms. I was careful not to bump into anyone on the way. Two mistakes in that one, guys, and there's your 10. Okay? Then it says, your friend Danny. Okay, guys, that is our phonics for today. So go back through. Remember, anything with ER, LY, or FUL at the end, you need to check the spelling. Okay? Have a great day today, guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.